JUKI Automation Systems is now offering a complete line of lead-free hot air reflow ovens from JT Automation Equipment Limited. Distributed with the JUKI warranty and supported by their extensive and experienced service group. Introducing the high-tech features of the JUKI lead-free reflow soldering ovens. The JUKI lead-free solder reflow ovens are built in such a way that each main unit can be disassembled independently, reducing maintenance time by as much as 50%, allowing more uptime for the entire production line. Increased thermal insulation in the chamber effectively keeps heat inside where it belongs, drastically reducing power consumption, ultimately saving you thousands of dollars each year in wasted power. The new generation Reflow ovens feature independent hot air circulation with flow ratio readjustment. During the manufacturing process, all machines undergo simulated strenuous load testing to ensure stable oven temperature under variable load conditions, thereby maximizing PCB end product compliancy. The plug-and-play modular construction reduces assembly and disassembly service time by as much as 50%. The eco-friendly design not only lowers waste gas emissions, it also enhances flux recovery to reduce buildup of flux residue inside the oven. When soldering complex PCBs with microchips, large ICs, and even BGAs, all located on the same assembly, it's particularly important to achieve the lowest delta temperature. For higher efficient energy savings, while increasing output with the same footprint area of a single oven, a dual-lane oven can be implemented in line with two independent placement machines, offering the flexibility expected from JUKI. Doubling the output while using approximately 70% of power and nitrogen. Aim high and embrace the future with JUKI. In the field of high-precision technology, we will be your partners on the path to mutual success.